morning, and it's a very sad day for New Zealand because there was a terrorist attack at Christchurch, and almost 50 people were killed. Some of them were injured, and you can see most of the flags, they're all at a quarter or half mast because to recognize that nowhere is safe. But we are safe. We are at Wellington, although it's just a boat's ride away to Christchurch. And hopefully the police get to capture the other 3 people that were involved as well. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of sad. I cannot do this. Waiting for our parents to come, and it's bad news. The flight got delayed for 3 hours. They were supposed to reach like 1:10, which is like right now. But now we have 3 hours to kill in Wellington Airport. Tough luck, guys. Tough luck. Righty. Alright, so it's 6 AM and we are still in Wellington because the flight got delayed yesterday and it didn't even land. So we stayed in this hostel that really sucked. The beds were squeaky. Oh shit.
A fucking pair of shoes.
Yeah. Wellington's crazy. The beds were squeaky. There were people banging on doors at 3 AM in the morning.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It was just so bad. The floors were sticky. The kitchen was filled with dishes, like filled with it. Sinks were flooded and clogged. I don't know, man. It's just disgusting. Worst hostel I've ever been to. Worst one ever. But I'm not gonna name the hostel, but it's somewhere in Wellington. And yeah, we are heading to the airport right now. Hopefully the oldies are there. So when I say the oldies, it's actually my parents and Pharaoh's parents. Yeah, because they're old, so we call them oldies.
And it sounds so cute.
Yeah. Oh, I think the bus is here. Alright, we gotta go. So $12 and 15 minutes later we're at the airport. Yeah, we're just waiting for them to come out of the gate. They should be coming out here. And now the waiting begins. Oh, he went outside to smoke. Smoke, smoke, smoke.
But this is like